Hi and welcome to the MSU Assessment Channel. This video is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at the Office of Institutional Effectiveness. In this video, we'll walk you through how to view, edit, and download your Curriculum Alignment Matrix or CAM in SPAL. Let's get started. On the SPAL homepage, select the correct academic year from the top right corner. Then click the bar chart icon on the left to open the sidebar menu. Next, select Curriculum Alignment Matrix to view your program's CAM. If you're managing multiple programs, use the drop-down menu in the top left to choose the program CAM you want to view. Now, let's say the underwater basket weaving faculty decided to revise their CAM. They want to change the skill level mapping of UBW 200 within PLO3 to introduced level, and also map FDT 250 at the mastered level. There are various ways to edit the CAM in SPAL, but in this particular page, the Program Assessment Coordinator will need to click the PLO statement in the matrix to open its details page. In the PLO details page, search for the Program Courses heading and click that to open the Program Courses window pane. In the Program Courses window, search for the courses to add to the CAM or revise their skill level mapping. Once all the changes are done, click Save. The changes should now be reflected within the Program Courses section. And when you go back to the CAM by clicking the Curriculum Alignment Matrix breadcrumb on the top left corner of the page, you should also see the changes reflected. Once you've made your changes, you can either leave your CAM as is or download a copy of that updated version. To download, click the Download button in the upper right of the page, or the page icon in the lower left to open the Reports page. In the Reports page, select Curriculum Alignment Matrix. In the dialog box, choose the current planning year or previous years if you need an older CAM. Please note that CAMs in SPAL are tied to program's 3-year assessment cycle. This means that any changes you made in the current year will also appear in the other 2 years connected to that cycle. Now select the program or programs you want to download. Next, set the outcome type to Program Learning Outcome. Finally, click View Reports. If needed, hide the 3 optional filters by setting them to false. Then click View Report again. Now choose your file format. PDF is best for sharing and preserving formatting, Word is best for editing, and Excel is best for data management. We suggest PDF for final copies. Now choose Yes for landscape mode, but for this example, we want the CAM in portrait mode. Another notification will let you know that an email will be sent to you when the file is ready. Click OK. From your email, click the download link. Please note that the file will only be available for 5 days, but you can always rerun the report anytime you need it. And there you have it, you've just viewed, edited, and downloaded your CAM in SPAL. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more tutorials and updates. For questions, please email us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu.